Hi, Dr. Harlan Mittag here. I'm a nutritionist, acupuncturist, and chiropractor who has been treating pain without pharmaceutical drugs for 28 years now. You should receive an email in about 10 minutes with instructions on how to access your free report, How to Erase Pain Naturally. But before you check your email, please listen to what I have to say in this short video because it's important for you if you really want to get rid of your pain soon. In your report, I tell you about 2 effective natural pain remedies that I give to my patients every day to help them get rid of their pain on their own. The report tells you all about these 2 natural and effective natural pain remedies. But again, please watch to the end of this video because I'll show you how to get the powerful remedies that I mention in the report at a discount. This is a picture of me. It was taken about 15 years ago. 3 weeks before this picture was taken, I injured my low back and suffered a severely herniated disc and pinched nerve that sent pain into my leg and numbness into my foot. It was more pain than I would ever wish on anyone. So I took pain drugs for a week. But after that I decided enough. Instead, I used one of the pain remedies that I mentioned in this report, and I was able to get rid of the crutches that I had needed to walk very quickly. So I've personally experienced the benefits of the remedies that I'll tell you about in my report. These are not just 2 remedies concocted by one doctor, me. These 2 remedies are being used by thousands of alternative doctors who are helping their patients get free of pain. So let's get to it. What 2 remedies for natural pain relief am I actually talking about? Remedy number 1 is for short-term relief of pain, whether it's recent or chronic. This remedy works to relieve pain from arthritis, old injuries, nerve pain, and pain from other sources. Remedy number 1 is a patch that is placed over the area of pain. It promotes circulation and delivers nutrients to the inflamed, painful area through the skin. The patch, which is branded as a power strip, is listed as a Class 1 medical device by the FDA for temporary relief of pain. Power strips use current technology and ancient healing principles to relieve inflammation and promote healing of the painful area. Let's look at a patient's results with power strips. This is from Kevin, who suffered from chronic severe tendinitis. And I quote, "I received my power strips and immediately placed one on my left arm. I had developed severe tendinitis approximately 2 months ago on my left elbow. In less than an hour, I experienced a reduction in pain and an increase in mobility of my arm. I assumed that there must be a placebo effect. It just seemed too fast. I wanted to put it to the test. I have not been able to weight lift during these 2 months and had to limit body weight exercises as well. So I headed to the gym the next morning and did a full range of weightlifting and body weight exercises with no problem and no pain. I've been wearing the strips continually and have been amazed at how, quote, miraculous, unquote, the results have been for me." Let's look at one more case with power strips. This is a case of someone with chronic low back pain. So Steve wrote on March 13, 2014, quote, "I have endured chronic pain in my upper and lower back for over 30 years. I have tried every pill, treatment, etc. to treat my back challenges. I was a bit skeptical of a patch, but within minutes of using the Power Strips product, I felt relief and was walking up my stairs with ease." Unquote. Now let's look at remedy number 2. Remedy number 2 is the best remedy I know of for long-term relief of pain. It is pharmaceutical-grade omega-3 enriched fish oil. Pharmaceutical-grade fish oil is being used by medical doctors, chiropractors, and naturopaths to help patients get off of harmful pain drugs and get long-term relief of pain. So where's the beef? Or better said, where's the fish oil proof? Here's a study that was published in the Clinical Journal of Pain in 2010. This study followed 5 patients who were disabled due to pain even while taking prescriptive pain drugs. Let's look at just one of these cases, that of a 53-year-old patient who was disabled with a disc herniation in the neck that was pinching the C7 nerve root. So there was a disc herniation at C6, C7 in the lower neck. This herniation was pinching a nerve coming out of the spine that goes into the arm and into the hand. There were additional issues. Spinal stenosis was narrowing the spinal canal, and disc degeneration was present at several other levels of the spine. This patient was still disabled after receiving physiotherapy treatments and taking prescriptive non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs for some time. Then the patient was given pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. He was given a dose of 4,800 milligrams of EPA and DHA, the active omega-3 ingredients, in fish oil daily. He started to feel some improvement within 2.5 weeks. In 8 months, he was able to play competitive hockey again, and in 19 months, he felt completely cured. He said that if he stopped taking the pharmaceutical-grade fish oil, he noticed that he started to get the pain back in about 4 days. So he had to keep on taking the pharmaceutical-grade fish oil in order to maintain the benefit, but there were no side effects associated with it. Many medical practitioners are learning about pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. Dr. Joseph Maroon is a neurosurgeon who, after years of running marathons, was suffering lots of knee pain. So much so that the pain drugs that he was taking gave him an ulcer. His medical colleagues recommended a complete knee replacement. After doing some research, Dr. Maroon started taking pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. He has been able to avoid knee replacement as a result. Because of his personal good results, Dr. Maroon then started recommending pharmaceutical-grade fish oil to his patients. 125 of his patients were reported in a journal report in Surgical Neurology in 2006. In this report, he indicated that 60% of his patients with neck and back pain who had previously been taking non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs reported better results with pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. And 59% of his patients stopped taking the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in favor of fish oil. His patients also reported that they did not have significant side effects from taking fish oil. The report that I've sent you via email will tell you even more about the pain-erasing effects of power strips and pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. But unfortunately, you're not going to get relief when you read the report. Relief will only come if you actually use the remedies. To encourage you to try these remedies, I am making them available at a discount. You can purchase a single power strip for just $9.95, and you can purchase a 180-day supply of pharmaceutical-grade fish oil for just $19.95, but it's available only on Amazon. If you're on the fence with trying either of these 2 remedies, I encourage you to take action and try them. On the one hand, unlike pain drugs, there are no risks involved. And on the other hand, just like so many other patients and customers, you are likely to experience the significant benefits of these natural remedies for pain relief. If you have any questions or concerns, you can give me a call and we can set up a complimentary consultation, a 15 to 20-minute consultation, where I can answer any questions that you have about natural pain relief. Just call me at 1-844-944-2787. 6999. Leave your name, your phone number, and a good time to call, and I or one of my staff will give you a call to set up a time where we can talk for 15 minutes and I'll answer any questions that I can. The recording will refer to Doctors Holistic RX, that's my company. So, if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 1-844-944-6999. Just tell me your name, your phone number, and a good time to call, and I'd be glad to call you back and answer any questions. I encourage you to try these remedies. Click on the button below for more information on how to purchase power strips and pharmaceutical grade fish oil. Thank you. Have a good day. This is Dr. Harlan Mateg.